Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again and it's time to do a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A71 One UI 2.5 update. And you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy A71, which has a Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB of internal storage. And my Samsung Galaxy A71 has just received the One UI 2.5 update, which give you a new features. And you can see here is the update of the One UI 2.5, and you can see, and guys, and these are the main highlighting feature, I would say main features about the One UI 2.5 update on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, and the first we have in the Wi-Fi settings, and you can see we also have a Wi-Fi router feature on this phone. We also have a new update on the always on display, as well as in the Samsung keyboard, as well as in the camera department, and you can see in the messaging application as well. And also the security of the device has been improved also, so, and it is a almost 1 GB. So now let's quickly install this update. What are the new feature that will be available on your Samsung Galaxy A71 after updating to the One UI 2.5 update? Okay guys, I am back again, and the update it is complete on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now let's go to the about phone software information. And you can see this phone, it is running on One UI 2.5 update. And the first thing which I'm gonna show you, now let's go to the messages, and you can see, now let's go to the Samsung keyboard, and you can see right there we got this red indicator. Now let's go, and you can see we have this YouTube option, and you can see you can search any videos in the Samsung keyboard. And now let's go YouTube, and now let's search something, and guys, now search MKBHD, and you can see that we get MKBHD videos in the Samsung keyboard. Next feature, and you can see, and make sure your auto rotate it is on, and you can see now it is on. Now let's go to the landscape mode, like this feature, and you can see now this feature it is available in the Samsung keyboard with One UI 2.5 update. And you can see you can use your keyboard without any problem in the landscape mode as well. We also have a third-party content, and you can see we have a Bitmoji, Mojitalk, as well as a Google. And guys, and next feature is in this area, and you get a search mode, and you can see when you tap search, and you can search any type of emojis, smile and search, and you get smile like emojis as well as stickers. And you can see this also help us a lot. And the Bitmoji stickers, now it is also supported on always on display, which means that when you enable the always on display, you will see a Bitmoji stickers on the always on display. Let me disconnect this network, and let's see. You can see it's showing me that this Wi-Fi it is fast. You can see in very fast, which means that it can stream full HD videos without any problem. But I have to say, and the fast mean is that it can stream HD videos and make video calls as well. And when it says normal, it means that it can only streams music as well as standard definition videos and browse the web and social media. But when it says slow, you can receive and send email and messages, and the image will appear slowly. I don't see any new feature in the camera department, but it says that the camera has been improved. And guys, we also got this new feature, I believe, the settings to keep. And guys, and one more feature which is available on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with One UI 2.5 update. Let's see it is available with the A71 or not. And guys, we don't have this feature which is available on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. You can change the charging sound when you connect your charger. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this quick review regarding the Samsung Galaxy A71 One UI 2.5 update. And guys, if you know more features in the One UI 2.5 on your Samsung Galaxy A71, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.